Artoonza.
Hey there, puzzle masters and color-loving geniuses. Be honest, have you ever stared at a Rubik's Cube and thought, I could totally solve this? Yeah, same. We can't solve it either. But guess what? Today, we're doing something way better. We're drawing one and then painting it in the most ridiculously gorgeous colors you've ever seen. We're talking light blue, yellow, pink, light green, and orange, all dropped and brushed on like tiny little splashes of pure happiness. And before you ask, no, you don't need to be a math genius or a speed cubing champion. You just need a black marker, some paint, and your beautiful brain. So grab those brushes, squeeze those paint droppers, and get ready to paint the most satisfying, twisty, magical 3D cube your paper has ever seen.
So cute.
Give us your like. Let's make some colorful magic. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. All right, we're starting with light blue, the color of the sky, the ocean, and that moment when you stare out the window pretending to think deeply, but you're actually just hungry. We're dropping those gorgeous blue drops from our paint dropper like tiny little sky puddles, then brushing them across our cube, smooth, cool, and dreamy, because every masterpiece needs a chill beginning. Give us a big thumbs up. Now here comes the sunshine. Yellow, the color of happiness, bananas, and that one friend who's always way too cheerful in the morning. We're squeezing those sunny drops and brushing them on like we're painting our own little sun. Honestly, our cube is already looking brighter than your Monday morning.
Aw, so cute.
Oh yes, it's pink time. The color of cotton candy, bubble gum, and everything that makes the world a little more magical and dramatic. We're dropping and brushing this gorgeous pink on like we're decorating a cloud. And if anyone says pink isn't a power color, let them try and draw something this fabulous. Honestly, our cube is now so pretty, it might just refuse to be scrambled ever again. It's giving art. It's giving glam. It's giving absolutely everything.
Wow.
Fresh, minty, and full of life. Say hello to light green, the color of spring mornings, lucky clovers, and that smoothie you pretend to enjoy because it looks healthy. We're dropping those cool green drops and brushing them on like we're planting a tiny garden right on our cube. Because honestly, every masterpiece deserves a little nature. Smash that like button now. And finally, the grand finale. Orange, the color of sunset citrus and pure unstoppable energy. We're dropping those bold orange drops and brushing on the last strokes of our colorful masterpiece. And just like that, our 3D twisty cube goes from blank paper to jaw-dropping brilliance. You did that.
Aw, so cute.
Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.